Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Well, as you can see, I'm in a BMW and it's mine. Yeah, I didn't buy a new one, we still have the current one. It's already fixed and we're already going again. So what happened? Well, after I uploaded the video, I actually got a call, but I only upload one video a day just, to keep things going. And what happened was there was an ignition coil that broke. That's everything. So he said, I will have a look at your car when I'm done with this one, and I will call you what's the damage. And I said okay. So he plugged the car in. He said bad ignition in cylinder 4, new ignition coil, and the car was running great again. So it was really easy as that. Well, we changed all 4 of them just to be sure, because you can change one of them, the car can drive again, and a few days later you can have another one go bad. But that wasn't the case. Yeah, I am really happy. It was fixed for the stupid amount of 27 euros. That was it. So 27 euros got my car fixed. I was thinking that I needed a new engine for sure. I was almost crying. You can see at the last channel's video. I was really upset, and I wasn't angry or something, because I tuned the car to 120% of its power, so shit can go bad. But yeah, I was happy. I was already in my mind spending a couple of €1,000 to get this car on the road again, just for that. But fortunately, it was just an ignition coil, and it was fixed very easy. All these videos are shot in the same day, so we're actually, it's still today that I got the car back. It's still today that I had to get it towed away. So it just took 5 minutes, and actually if you knew that, you would have done it immediately. But most of the times when you see something like that, you think it's something worse than an ignition coil. But yeah, man, I am stupidly happy that I was really thinking like the car is toast. This is the end of Bimmer Belgium. No, not the end of the channel, because I would get something differently. But yeah, I was definitely crying inside. So yeah guys, the Bimmer is back on the road again. It's driving again. It was a super easy fix. It was a super cheap fix. We're good to go. And all the modifications, I almost canceled them all, because it's stupid modding a car when it broke down. But yeah, not necessary now. So all the plans are going through. I'm only €100 lighter for new ignition coils, but after 55,000 kilometers, it's not that bad to change them anyway. So the car is also needing an oil change in 3,000 kilometers, and we'll give it new spark plugs as well. That's really not that special. So yeah guys, I am very happy. I'm just stupidly happy. I mean, I was buying a new engine in my mind, or selling this car for parts. I really was. But yeah, anyway guys, it's a shorter video. I have nothing else planned. I was really thinking that the channel was done. I was really thinking, I was ready in my mind to say the words, the car is toast, see you never again. But it didn't. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys hopefully very soon, because I just got a message that another modification is on its way for next week. So guys, see you soon. Bye.